This solid edge synchronous technology sheet metal course looks at several options. The first one is a box that has angled faces in two directions. And the advantage of synchronous technology in the sheet metal environment is that we can adjust the height of these edges directly, and it's really difficult to do the same sort of thing in ordered. So this is a really good exercise and useful for certain situations. It also uses multiple edges to create tabs or flanges, and extend these so that they are in line with each other. The second tutorial looks at creating a component such as this. So we've got various options in here. We've got flanges, holes, we've got beads, we've got contour, partial contour flanges. We've got slots that are used to create the cutouts in here. And yeah, it sort of works at using the steering wheel to copy these flanges and holes across to the other side. And this one here uses a mirror. So there's various different tools that are available in here to create this part. And finally, the third exercise, you start with a imported body, and then you go through and create an enclosure that sits over the top of that, using jogs and yeah, various other features like changing the size of the radii and so on. So there's lots of good information in here on how to use the synchronous side of sheet metal modeling, and it gives you some great tools to move forward.